Hi guys, it's Vitali, Bumblebee, and
Nova.
And
Mommy.
And
Say Daddy.
Daddy.
And today we're going to
Learning Express.
Learning Express to get what?
Fidgets.
Fidgets. And also I want to get some squishmallows.
Yeah. I'm gonna get like a really.
We're excited.
I want to get a We're at Learning Express.
Put it down, Tim. Down. Put it down.
So we can see at Learning Express.
We're so excited. I'm so excited.
I see squishmallows in the window.
Come on, let's go.
Baskin and Robbins over there too.
We'll get some ice cream.
We just got out of Learning Express. We also got some ice cream.
What'd you get, buddy?
Yeah,
What did you get, V?
We got some donuts.
Look at the camera,
We
silly.
got some donuts.
And what does the soda give you?
Yes. Gives me lots.
That Learning Express is right there.
Yep. Oh, you can't really see. So we'll show you what we got.
We'll do a haul when we get home.
Yep. We'll show you what we all got. Even I got something. Even Mom got something, right?
I don't know, is it a fidget?
I don't know. We'll have to see.
You ready? You ready? You wanna open the?
Okay, let's put everything out, okay?
Yeah,
Hey,
and we're
Freddie.
gonna give you a
Oh my God, he sat right on my lap.
Freddie.
He's right in the way.
Watch
Hold on.
out, Freddie.
He wants love.
He wants some love. Oh, he kissed me.
Freddy's usually doesn't kiss.
Aw, sorry, we didn't get you a toy. We didn't get you a toy.
So we're gonna take everything out and put it on the ground. So yeah, we'll be back when we do that.
Yes.
I
want to feed him.
No.
That's mine. This is what I picked. Mom picked Bop It.
I picked this.
Bop It to
We don't
start.
do anything yet. We gotta put it out.
I used to have this when I was little. My sister had it.
So this is everything we got. We are super excited. So you want to go first, V? Open.
What did you get?
One of your things.
Show us what you got.
So he got a.
Pick it out.
Here, show them.
Oh, there was a little ring in there. Where's the ring? I see it. It's in there.
Okay. So no.
That was mine.
I know. Open this.
Open
first.
your
He
simple.
got
Your
a
Pop It.
remote control Pop It, and it glows in the dark.
Oh, that's cool. Did you know that?
He got glow in the dark side. You need help opening it, V?
I got this.
Let's see it.
Neato, which goes in.
All right. What do you want to open
Does?
first?
Yeah, it does. It says glow in the dark.
Oh, that. All right. Here, pull this. Pull that. All right. Take the Pop It out.
It feels so good. Oh my god.
Test it out. Here, test it.
Oh, I can hear it.
Can I try
It's
it?
a real Pop It.
That's so good.
It's
That's
real.
such a good Pop It, guys.
Wait, I never.
It pops on both sides?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
It's
cool.
loud on this side. Here, yeah.
So that's a real one.
Okay. Wait. No. This is mine.
Nova's turn.
All right, it's my turn. I'm gonna open something now. I'm gonna open the Infinity Cube because I'm super excited for this.
I'm so excited.
Oh yeah, look at it, guys.
I like that it's Galaxy.
These are so fun because look,
Let me
it just
feel
keeps going
Let me feel it.
and it never stops.
Let me feel it. Oh wow, it feels good.
Here, look, go like this, and then it goes like this, and then it just never stops.
Freddy's sitting all alone.
He's lonely.
Freddy, what are you doing?
This is so good. I love this.
Oh my, Oh my god. I was like, there's a weird cat in the yard, but it's our cat. Oh my god. I was like, why isn't Freddy going after that cat?
Oh yeah, man! Here's a single dimple. Oh my god.
I don't want to feel it yet. No, I don't want to because I want to feel it. Is it good?
It's good. It is good.
Oh, it looks so good.
Oh, this is the louder side.
Hold it up, V. Let's see.
Hold it up. Show them.
Yeah.
Super fun. Okay, my turn.
You glad you got the big one instead of the little one?
Yeah, I feel like the little one would be like,
You get bored?
yeah.
It's not,
Like this is super fun. Feel
these
this
are
one.
only $10.
Oh yeah.
It just keeps going into a square.
That is cool.
Feel this? Feel this, Mom.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I like it.
Cool, right? This one glows in the dark.
Okay, next I'm gonna open my dimple, obviously.
Yeah, because you picked.
Hey, Freddy. Hey, Freddy.
Feels
This-
good, right?
Is so good. I love this so much, guys.
This one is the loud
These
side.
are so good. I recommend it so much. I especially love this big green
Green
one.
one? Yeah. I like the colors.
Yeah, the colors are really pretty. So I rate this a 10 out of 10, especially.
What do you rate it, Tally?
I rate this a 20 out of 10.
Good job.
Okay.
I'm opening something with my last thing. It's this Neato. So let's open it.
That's his last thing he got at Learning Express.
Those are all yours?
Yeah.
Why don't you share one with him? Because there's...
Oh my
Enough.
god, it's it's a top.
It just popped.
Don't do
It's popping. It's popping.
This is a glow in the dark.
That sounded like a fart.
Let me try. Let me try.
Wait. Do it again.
Do it again.
No Photoshop.
Okay, I also got a Nito here. I got. I also got a
Wait.
Nito.
He's really trying to fart.
I got a snowball Nito. It says the crunchy stress ball.
Oh, okay.
So let's open it up. It's
Easy. Don't pop that, V.
Yeah, don't pop
Don't do that. We don't want it to pop. Your fart ball. I wonder if hers will make the same sound.
Mine has cornstarch in it.
Listen. Hers has cornstarch and his farts.
This one's going dark.
Oh, it sounds like crunchy snow.
Let me hear it. Stop with your fart ball. Oh yes, it does sound like
I
crunchy
love
snow.
this. I rate this a 10. It's super nice.
What about you, Tally? What do you rate your little Nito fart
100
ball?
million out of 10.
100 million out of 10?
No, 100 trillion out of 10.
100
Okay,
trillion out of
now my favorite part has come. I saved the best thing for last. We got our tangles. So these are all mine. I got 3 of them so I can attach them because they can
10.
attach.
But these ones, look.
Are fuzzy. And this
Fuzzy.
one's a classic. So I think I'm gonna open the fuzzy ones first because this one I'm super excited.
Okay.
Alright, let's see how we
I
open
wanna
this.
pull it
Oh,
out.
there's like a thing on the back. That thing's so funky.
And it glows in the dark. We gotta put it in the light, Tal.
Yeah.
We should put this in light. I'm gonna keep
Oh,
this.
you gotta, keep that to put it in. But we gotta put them under the light inside so
This is a little
they can glow in
We
the
should put
dark.
these two in the light.
Yeah, we have to put them in the light so they can glow in the dark.
Hold on, I'll be back.
I'll put them in the light?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the light.
Okay. But not the dimple doesn't glow.
I know.
Okay.
Okay.
I see you.
This is so fun. This
Let me
is so
feel
fun.
it. Even with it fuzzy.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels nice. It's like velvet. Yeah, look. I mean, it's hard to really, it's like velvety.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I like the fuzzy one.
I'm excited to feel the other one. Can
Yeah, I
try?
want to feel the other one. I like the fuzzy one.
Oh, this is so fun, guys.
Hey, Riley. Hey, Riley, you gonna join the party?
Join the party. Check out my fidget.
You're gonna be nice to Freddie? You're being a little meanie.
Yeah, that's why she had to go in.
Yeah,
All right, I'm gonna open the other one. See if we
Good
can.
girl.
I'm gonna open the other fuzzy one. That one was way easier than last time. Oh!
What happened?
I don't know.
Did it break?
No. Ready?
Remember your Remember the Minecraft thing you
Yeah.
broke?
Oh my god!
Remember the Minecraft keychain? You're like, oh my god. We
That
should
was
put a
like-
clip of that in there.
Oh my god. I like him the best. What?
This won't go back.
Oh my
It's
So I
better.
think it's officially broke. It won't go back.
It's better. That was a lot of money.
So we're gonna make it big.
What if that's like a necklace? You could probably wear that as a necklace.
You can.
That'd be cute. Look. It's like a jungle out here. Look, we got a cat.
Guys, look.
Oh, you put them both together?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's one big tangle. Look, Tail, feel it. Let him feel it.
It sounds. Let me
Sit down, bud.
Don't try to break that one with your fart, Nito.
Watch.
Did it glow?
Yeah, it does.
Guys, these tangles are
Yeah.
so fun. I recommend them so much. I rate these 100 out of 10. 100 out of 10. Why does it fart? That's like regular tangle time. Okay. Sorry,
You're
guys.
funny.
This is a bit weird. This one.
Yeah, that was
one's
just like a
good.
pop. That one's good.
Yes, I love
So
this.
maybe we should add more tangles to it.
Yeah, they had more. They have more.
Oh, this one's real smooth. I like that
But
one.
I found like the normal tangles, not the fuzzy ones.
Hey.
I found the regular ones like right when we were about to leave, so I got one.
I got it.
So I couldn't get
Thanks,
Alright, guys.
Thanks for watching our video.
Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like this video.
And subscribe.
Yeah,
And-
and subscribe. And if our comments
And guys, you gotta hear this.
and guys, if our comments are turned off, go to our Instagram and comment what you thought about the video.
What's your Instagram?
My Instagram's the same as my YouTube, Novalee Bumblebee. Bye.